Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paghahanap natin ng mali. She practices piano for over an hour now and hasn't taken a break. Or wala bang mali? 5 seconds. Ang mali dito ay letter A, practices. Bakit? Kasi ito yung keyword nyo dyan. Okay? Kapag meron kayong nakita ng mga ganyan for over an hour now, for 2 weeks now, since last week, since last month, mga nag-i-imply or nag-i-express ng duration ng isang kilos ay nag-start mangyari in the past, nag-continue siya sa present, at probably mag-continue pa rin siya sa future kasi hindi pa nga humihinto hanggang ngayon. The tense you need is present perfect progressive. Ang formula niya has or have plus been plus ing form ng main verb. So instead na simple present, ang gagamitin natin, dapat sundin natin tong formula na to para tama yung verb tense natin. So since meron tayong she dito, has yung gagamitin natin, been plus yung ing form ng practice, which is practicing. So the sentence should read, she has been practicing piano for over an hour now and hasn't taken a break.